The other day, my friend Jordan Buckner posted about his new summer release, his Food Bevy Insider Box. If you're not familiar with this, I highly recommend checking it out. You can try a bunch of different snacks all at once, and it comes in a box delivered to your house. It's amazing. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. As I was looking at some of the brands that he released, I saw this new dish brand, and it's a matzo ball soup. I got super intrigued because my husband loves matzo ball soup. I went to their website, and they have this beautiful website. So knowing me, I went to their Amazon page to check out what they have, and I was a little bummed out and disappointed by their creatives. So I wanted to help this brand out and pay it forward. And I decided, you know what, let's have a little fun with their main image and see if we can generate something that gets them some more clicks and improves their click-through rate so that more people can check out this new brand on Amazon. So what we did here is we dropped it into our handy dandy tool that we've been working on with a super talented team where they have trained the AI to study our best performing main images from Mindful Goods and generate 20 to 25 images within one click for us to play around with. Now, these are not final product. These are more of a prototype to get the wheels spinning, give us some ideas, and then we can take these a step further and customize them using our design process. I took it a step further and dropped these into a PickFu poll, which you can see is still running right now, but it's at 25 out of 30 responses. You can see this one right here is already most likely going to be the winning image. But here you can see we have all of these amazing click-worthy options, and most likely many of these will outperform the original image, which was this one here. If we take another look, you can see that this one has only gotten 2 votes, and most of the other images have already outperformed. So what I'm gonna do is package this up and deliver it to Nudish, and I hope that they give this a try so they can improve their click-through rate. If you want to give our tool a try and have us make some main images for you, DM me with a link to your product listing, and I will be selecting a few people to get some main images from us at Mindful Goods. Take care.